Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. For those of you who have a Peugeot 3008, and suddenly, your key has stopped working. Because the car doesn't detect it and it won't let you start the engine. Let's see if that happens to you. Either due to a problem with the car's remote control battery or a problem with the BSI, this is what you have to do, to be able to start the engine. Here we have this Peugeot 3008. There you see it. The first thing will be to remove the sword from the key, to be able to open the door, because the remote, when it does not work, will not open it, okay? Once the door is open manually. If you try to start the engine, pressing the start/stop button, you can see that you will get a message. Key not detected, but there you see a hole to the left of the steering wheel. In that hole you have to put the key. Look, the message comes out. Like you see, key not detected, it looks good there, so, as I said, what you have to do is insert the key in that the hole that is to the left of the steering wheel, and once inserted there, press the start/stop button again, and there you see that the engine has already started, okay? Then, to stop it, what do you have to do? To do is press the start/stop button for a few seconds, until the engine turns off, okay? Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.